Hello and welcome to the channel of Ink Monk, and I am Indranil. Odisha Tourism's caption is Odisha, India's best kept secret. So we thought of being in line with really, is it seriously a secret, this state? And trust me, there are few places which are very less explored, but they are of stunning beauty. We are standing in one of those places. We whenever we talk about beaches in Odisha, we talk about Puri. That's the first name, but there's a very very beautiful city very close to Puri as well, which is as beautiful. Probably, I think it's a bit more beautiful because I am one of those persons who love looking at raw beauty rather than something which is all made up by human beings. So today we are at Chandrabhaga beach, that is in the town of Konark, and as we can see behind me is the unexplored sea of Konark in Chandrabhaga beach. Konark is about 40 kilometers from the actual town of Puri, and the beach is the continuation of the beach that we find in Puri as well. There's this road which connects Konark to Puri, which is called Marine Drive, as you can see. And the best part about the road is it actually runs parallel to the sea, that is Bay of Bengal. And as you can see, it's kuch jagah mein you have places to actually go down. And as you can see, there are already loads of people who actually go down, and you can have your own beach party in your own little way. And again, I would say that this place is seriously serene and beautiful. The water is prim clean, more because due to COVID not lots of people are here, and as you can see, it's absolutely unexploited and unexplored to a lot extent, and it's seriously beautiful. Well, we can see the after effects of Foni still pretty much evident. These trees were all lush green while Foni has actually destroyed them. And we still have the after effects pretty clean. We are headed towards a resort which is pretty famous according to locals. It's called Lotus Eco Resort. And as you can see, again, the main attraction about this place is there's this river again which is parallel to the other part of the sea. As you can see, there's the sea on the other side, and this is the river actually, which is running riverine probably, which is running parallel to the sea. Now you can actually see यहाँ पे the high tide actually, when the high tide is there, it actually comes into this river, and then the other side is actually the sea. I don't know if it's visible or not, but just on the other side of the little division of island type of land patch that we have, there's the sea. I think it's visible over there. Well, not the usual entrance that you expect of this little resort, which is pretty famous, but it looks like it's part of a war zone. Something has really broken it apart, mainly because the sea is very wild over here, and most of the time it actually gets and it actually destroys the route that leads into the resort, and most of it is actually abhi pura kacha rasta hai. As you can see, it's all red soil, which actually is leading into the restaurant, which we have actually come. Let's check out the place. So as we entered, this is again the restaurant where we are in to eat. This is actually the eating part, and there are various other portions as well where you can have your food, but I think we are a bit late because these people close their kitchens before 3:30 or 4 o'clock. Right now only tandoor is not available and various other specialities are not available. You get only few selected items only. They have a bar as well, so अब रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर you can actually see the open sea and the riverine that we showed in the beginning. अभी क्या है कि if you want to go to look at the sea from, you can actually see from the restaurant, लेकिन आपको ये you have to cross this riverine. So again, take your shoes off and let's hop in. This is a little bit of an adventure. Bear Grylls. Well, that is the restaurant. We are into this little bit of an island that we have. That part is the sea, as you can see, and that's where we had our entrance from. This is where we had our entrance from. So that was at a bit of a height. थोड़ा शाम हो जाता है तो things start to look a bit grim, but trust me, it's beautiful. थोड़ा raw लग सकता है because due to this natural calamity every time and COVID at the same point of time, I think not much of they have not done a lot of rework of the restaurant and the hotel. But other than that, the scenic beauty from inside is beautiful. Another little bit of an attraction would be either you'll find lots of fishermen actually trying to net fishes. You see this is all fishermen all over. Well, all that ends well, they say goes well, but it wasn't with our trip. Lotus Eco Resort, where we actually came. The location was seriously promising. We actually showed the inside part, but due to I think Amphan and the COVID, a lot of work still needs to be done because Amphan, the cyclone, has really destroyed it. But the service level as well as the food, it's seriously not that promising because we ordered some kind of a fish, the whole of it, and it came in as something which was very normal. You know, the quality of the food wasn't that promising to us. I don't know, the bar is open, so we did see a lot of people coming for drinks and all. I think that would be fine, but for proper people to have your food, and if you expect something really good, it isn't that place, I think. Probably we've just ordered one dish that wasn't promising, so we ended up not doing it. So to me, if you ask me to recommend this place, I would say you can come just for the view, but for the food, it's your choice. It's mediocre, not that good. So we end our trip here right now. We have to go around 70 kilometers to Bhubaneswar from here. So you guys can plan a trip for about, this might be a 6, 7, 8 hours trip for a Sunday probably, with friends, family or anyone else. So that would be great. I think you guys enjoy the video and keep subscribing us for more videos like these. Thank you.